Today I will tell you about two things. First, lysosome, and second, vacuole. As I promised, lysosome. Lysosome is a small spherical single membrane bounded acidic digestive organelle which is only found in animal cell. It is absent in both prokaryotic cell and plant cell. The digestive enzyme present within lysosome is called hydrolytic enzyme, and hydrolytic enzyme is a acidic enzyme that function only in acidic environment. Lysosome is also called suicide bag of the cell because whenever anything wrong happens within cell, it bursts and its liquid enzyme digest their own cell. Now come on vacuole. Vacuole is a large spherical single membrane bounded acidic organelle that function in storage of water, nutrients, pigment and waste. The membrane, meaning the single membrane that surrounds the vacuole, is called tonoplast. So, tonoplast is a single membrane that surrounds the vacuole. Tonoplast is a active transport membrane that allows only certain molecules to enter into the vacuole from cytoplasm that can maintain the pH, acidic pH inside vacuole and alkaline pH inside cytoplasm of the cell. The content of vacuole is called cell sap. SAP, sap, cell sap. The content of vacuole is called cell sap. What is cell sap? What is the composition of cell sap? Cell sap is a watery fluid present within vacuole. Cell sap is made up of water, sugar, amino acid, organic acid and proteins. Cell sap also contains one special type of pigment which is named anthocyanin that gives red, blue, purple or black coloration to fruit, vegetables and so on. Cell sap also stores waste like resin, tannin, and so on. In the next lecture video, I will tell you about solution based on solute concentration and their significance on plant cell and animal cell. Thanks.